Belly, the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Police Bazaar at 7005 668657 and 98630 60336. Members of the Youth Congress Committee of Umroi constituency had met at a press conference to clarify on the status of the party in the area after the recent exit of the MLA from Umroi, George B. Lyngdoh, from the Congress party to associate himself with the All India Trinamool Congress. Speaking to newspersons, one of the vice presidents of the Umroi Youth Congress Committee, Prince Khembor Langsun, said that the exit of MLA of Umroi, George B. Lyngdoh, is a personal decision and wished him the very best in his future endeavour. However, Sun lamented on the desertion of George B. Lyngdoh by saying that the hard work of each party worker to bring victory to their MLA in the 2018 elections is all futile, as none of them had been consulted upon or approached by the MLA before his decision to leave the party. Also, the youth workers will be meeting the president and other members of the MPCC to discuss on revamping the party in Umroi constituency, Sun informed.
Ni klam siam ni bating siam ki batang gawai galong ba kejing mi to tang kejung I kadi kejung dunong ba kra ni kejing sa kun sweat kejung I galong ba kermen scam ba ni ai ru kejing tuku perdo I bai nangla susu bania sa perang bat sakmat I wish him very good luck for the better future. And then sa gawai galong ba na kaliang kejung I kum kinong elam jung youth kat ibadon hang ni kadi tang kejing lum ke kerti hadin ka jing yo jungi ka tu ka kubuar ka bukan betul yo lu men ke nze ila don bare ka jing pun bet ba menen mi siski bat kino ilam ni barang ba jungi presiden barang ba Vincent H Pala ngilo yo bani kendu bat I ong ba nginiat syahmat habide gini ba press briefing hadin nang ta pada ngi hagi di gisi ki wansawan yin sayo ban ye syong tham ha bat ban revamp ya kani ka body ka batmai long lani ka body ka bangin pentelun ya kesalan tam jong Kongres hapo Umroi konstitusi. Te ngim dodon sibun kinten banong te ngishu tanggani ke jinggentu kin pam ya ki kun samla ki long kemi ki long pa ki hep ki baret kin thei bat sinrang ki baju kersian ya ke Kongres nagawai ke por syagawai por ni angnot hiru but ni pensyai seki ba kani ka Kongres kum bagalong ha ka Umroi konstitusi kampat ki kadang scam ni kum bagalong. Tingim dodon sibun kintin banong andai nga so banai kublai sibun ya baro kini gi parlok belai don lah kana janmit nanta bat nyen sekendu sian ha gini si wasawan banyo bania pelum pelang biasa isin bagini ya hikmat man kam penbha susu habedai bat kajing penklan susu ujungi ya parti Kongres ujungi hapo Umroi konstitusi walangila duna mo ya UMLA jungi bangila penjob dan burom lingba kajing kun ujungi kamit kayong ka syakriat nada sibun gi bangi la no sinyang ban rai isya ko brom.
Vice President of the Youth Congress Committee of Umroi, Lumlang Lamarai, further informed that the party is still intact and the youth will work harder to see to it that the party is strengthened and all ready to win a seat in the forthcoming General Assembly elections of 2023.
Ngismo barang ba ketika mon kejungi bani rek parti Kongres duk tengah klan iya klan ni trai don pun kita trai kejungi ke parti bat nane semaru ngina perskami ke parti ngina pun klan ke parti Kongres kejungi
gemut nang nai sekhmat pim kersian cui bajot deh
ya kata kapor mo nomor baku malong mentah akabai dei bat iba George ngim don pun orang kumui pak kadi kejungi simat kejungi rengi bat ngidon ke parti ngina pen imi ke parti kembalong mentah ni pen imi ke parti bat nai sekhmat Ikut ibu ada berarti. Noi lam jungi, bat ini likido bor juga distrik, bakunjuk juga central body jungi. Kuna bang scam show ik parti, bagin penuan dur gaya kasih sen. Kajing lek jing budget cakap pakai parti. Kamu penduduk mesin ini. Andre ka ai mesin penpan yang bagin tris tom, ban rak show ik noi lam ke ban sawan. Bagi tris tom ba. Kita ke bersawan bisa penjob dan boromi.